Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you my June 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I did add on a couple things, so I just wanted to quickly come on and share with you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and dive in. They did send it in this envelope type one, a bigger one this month versus the box that they normally do, which is fine. I do try to reuse these as best as I can. So I'm pulling out the card and it says, make waves. Summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner. Swipe the bright gloss. Full on bold. And it just talks about some things to do when you're in the sun, protection and all of that. And then it's saying that your June 24th is the date to pick your next month's product, the one item you get to pick. So yeah, that's a cute little card. It doesn't have any of the items on here, so I'll look each of them up when I edit the video, and I'll put the retail price for them because it doesn't have it. So the first thing that I pull out is the Pure Lease. We've been getting a lot of Pure Lease lately. Pure Leasey, I think is how you say it. I got some in my Allure. Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes, soap and sulfate free. It is a 5.07 fluid ounce. It looks like that. And it says on here that it's infused with Blue Lotus, soy, milk, whole oat, and white tea to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. Wow, I'm really excited to try this. Look at that. Really excited because I have sensitive dry skin, and I think that would be really good. So definitely keeping that. The next item that I see is Honey Jarrett Clean Cover Cushion, Semi-Matte Cushion with mild formula for sensitive skin. It looks like this is a worry-free makeup cushion foundation that delivers excellent adhesion, high coverage, and great skin protectant with a matte finish. The light and dense texture allows the skin to breathe all day. So this is a number 2 Peach Ivory. It's saying it has a matte finish. I don't really do well with matte finishes, just depending. Such cute packaging. I don't really want to rip it open, but obviously I need to. Wow, look how cute that packaging is. I've been really wanting to try a cushion foundation. My friend here on YouTube, Beth, she has the Wet n Wild cushion foundation, and I've been wanting to try it because of that. This may work. I'm going to try it. If it doesn't work for me, I can definitely pass it along. I'm going to definitely try it. I'm very excited about that because like I said, when I seen Beth using hers, I was like, oh, I want to try one. So yeah, definitely excited to have that. The next thing that I see in here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Gives a natural looking backlight glow, revives dual complexions, helps refine the look of pores. That sounds great, especially because lately I've been struggling with pores. That is what it looks like. It's a fairly decent size. This is a full size. It's a 1 fluid ounce. So excited about that one as well. Got some good things so far in here. I'm loving it. This is the bag that we got. It has all kinds of ladies in bathing suits just laying out. I do like that. I think it's super cute. I love the yellow in there. I will probably pass this to a friend just because I have so many, but it's super cute. I love getting these every month in our boxes or bags or boxes, subscriptions, whatever you want to call it. Okay, a few more things and then a couple more things. And then I did pick this. This is the Laura Geller Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. I definitely don't need any more face palettes or eye palettes, but when I seen this choice, I thought, you know what, I want to give it a try and see if it is any good. What the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. I love the flowers on it. And so this is what I picked. Has a little mirror in it, and this is what it looks like. So it's more of a neutrals. That is what it looks like. I thought it was going to be more pops of color. That's how it looked on the website, but maybe there's different ones that they've sent out. I mean, that would be cheek and highlighters. Yep, that's what it looks like. It's very pretty. So there's the blush and the highlighter right there. You guys know I'm horrible at swatches, but that looks really pretty. The highlighter looks deeper in the pan than it is when you actually swatch it. And I did kind of go heavy in there. Yeah, so that's really pretty. That would be like one of those palettes just to have that's simple and just with doing a quick look. So again, I did pick that out. And then the last thing that came in my box is the Huda Beauty, the Basic B Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I always love getting sponges because I always want to let you guys know if I find great sponges so you can try them. It feels very soft from what I could feel on the outside of the package, and it's not even damp yet, so that's very promising. So yeah, I got a lot of great things. I'd have to say I really did enjoy this box very, very much. I think that it had a lot of great products. Again, I will leave prices when I actually edit the video, and I will leave them, you know, somewhere on the screen. But let's go ahead and see the 3 items that I added on, or 4 items, excuse me. So I added on the So Rose C, I think is how you say it, Spotlight Eye Cream. It says it provides long-lasting moisture, brightness, and firmness when applied to the under eye area. It is a 10 grams. Oh, here it is. Make your skin breathable and comfortable. 0.35 ounce. And I believe this was $3. And that's a lot of product, I have to say. Like, for me, that's good. I did get the Sunday Riley Saturn So for Acne Treatment Mask. Medicated mask dries and clears up acne while preventing new blemishes from forming. So I'm excited about this. Definitely want to give it a try. It's a 0.67 fluid ounce. I have had these breakouts here on my chin. They go away, they come back, they go away, they come back, they go away. So I want to try this and see if this helps. I did get this another brush. Surprise, surprise. Luxie. Oh, the hairs are like really bust on this. Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered. It looks like that. It's really, really soft. It was $3 as well, so I picked this up. Very, very soft. Definitely going to be a very nice brush. And then the last thing that I picked up in the add-ons, I think it's another eye serum or something to do with, this is the Derma Deli Nourishing Eye Serum. Reduces under eye dark circles, 5 ml. It says gently dab 1 drop on the under eye area and use twice daily. What in the world? I don't know if that's how much product it's supposed to have, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, I did pay $3 for this, so maybe it's just, that's like the sample. But I mean, that's like, you can see it right there. That's like nothing. So I need to call them and just make sure, because that could just, and it looks really old, to be honest. Like, look at that, that came up. Maybe I just got a used one or an older one. I don't know, but that looks pretty gross. I'm definitely going to be contacting them and sending them an email because I was really excited to try this. But that can't just be all the product, unless maybe it is, because it's just a sample size. Thanks, babe. So yeah, I don't know about that. Definitely going to find out about that. That is everything that I got in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm happy again. I have been pleasantly surprised and very happy with IPSY since the year started. I have liked everything so far in this box. It looks like I'm going to keep everything. Yeah, I will definitely be trying out the products. I will let you know what I think as far as the skincare and all of that, and let you know how all those work out and give you updates. Definitely don't forget, in the description below I will have my IPSY affiliate code if you are wanting to check out IPSY for yourself. I didn't tell you guys, I did forget to tell you that this box retails for $25 a month, and with tax it's about $27 and some change. And it is a monthly subscription if you're not aware already. If you do click on my affiliate link, just remember that it does not pay me anything. It just gives me some stars or points to go toward items that I can get. Definitely check them out. Like I said, I have been pleasantly surprised and happy. I think that this was a great box, definitely worth the $27 that I paid, and I was very happy with it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.